Just beyond the football field at Reagan High School is where you'll find students gathered around a fire.
Today we have cooked hot dogs, also cooking s'mores, which is nice.
The students are part of the outdoor adventure class and are cooking the old-fashioned way.
Every campus has an outdoor adventure program, so a lot of our kids throughout the district are getting these activities.
Cupp is the PE and health department head at Reagan. She teaches the class.
It is a popular class. The kids like to take it just because they get to do things that maybe they haven't done before or only have very little experience with. They really like the cooking unit.
Coach Cupp says the goal is to teach the students lifetime wellness. This PE class takes hikes and goes mountain biking, learns archery and how to use a compass, and of course, learns how to cook around a fire.
It's nice to get outdoors instead of being sitting inside all day. It's nice to kind of have a break from all the technology and stuff.
And the students are learning to work together and are making new friends.
I've never experienced anything like this. It's pretty cool to have extracurricular activities like this.
Orchestra and band and ROTC and just kids that might not always mingle together come together, especially in our PE settings, and we see them cooperate and work together and really form some of those bonds that they might not otherwise have.
Discover the NEISD way, where our educators keep learning fun.